Hello friends, welcome back to my sessions. So today we will be going to write one Java program to find the substrings of a given string, and also we'll try to get the total count of a substring for a given string. So let's start with it. So I will be going to comment each line of the code. So we'll tell you a very easy trick how to get this. So do watch this video till last, so you will be able to see like how to get the all number of substrings for a given string. First we'll get the total count. Okay, so let's start with this. So very first thing is we'll give here, we want to get the count of total substrings. So very first thing is we will take one input string. So input string will take as string str equals abc. Fine. And we'll try to get the length of the string. So to get the length of the string, we'll get int n equals string dot length. Fine. And now we'll take one formula for a total substring. So one formula that is total substrings equals n into n plus 1 by 2. Fine. So why? Because every character can start substrings. Fine. So I mean to say at index 0 n substrings can happen. At index 1 n minus 1 substrings. At index 1 n minus 1 substrings. And at index 2 n minus 2 substrings. So total will be n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus, so it will be going in somewhat this way, this whole series. So that is basically n into n plus 1 by 2. Fine. So we'll take here int total substrings equals n into n plus 1 by 2. Fine. Now we will try to print the total count here. So we'll try to print the total count. So how to print the total count? We'll just give system.out.println. So that is total substrings that is count only total substrings. Okay, now you want to check, for example, I need to print all the substrings. Okay, so see, this basically this can happen with a big O n complexity, but for printing it cannot be done on big O n. Okay, reason why? Because there is n into n plus 1 by 2 substrings, that is naturally quadratic. Okay, so we need to print all substrings using big O n square. Okay, so I'm just giving here system.out.println and you can do one thing with the new line. All substrings are fine. Now outer loop is basically the starting index. Fine. Outer loop with a starting index. So we'll give here for int start equals 0 and start is less than string dot length start plus plus, and we will use string builder for optimization instead of repeated substring calls. So we'll use string builder here. So string builder SB equals new string builder. Fine. So I just created an object. Now inner loop will keep adding characters in this. Now I will take one inner loop. This will keep adding characters to build substrings. So we'll give for int equals start and is less than string dot length end plus plus, that is an increment, and then I will just put sp dot append, and you can just give your string dot char at end. Fine. So this will add the character, and finally system dot out dot println, and you will just give dot toString. Fine. So now I'm expecting the expected output will be, let's see, some substrings and with the count. First we will get the count. So here we run the code. So we could see here team total substrings count only is 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, A, AB, ABC, B, BC, C. So this was a simple logic for getting the count of substring and if you want to print the substring. So I hope you like this session. So if you really like this session, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you everyone.